Okay, my son, since I came, I've seen him. He's with my lawyer. Myself, all this while, I've been with my lawyer because we're not really done with the process for me to come out. The appeal is still in process. So for now, I've not been in the house. I- I'm with my lawyer, with my son, since for some few days. Since when I was out, my son was with my lawyer. My son is not aware. My son still feel like I'm in Nigeria working. Yes. Yeah, for to him, he think I'm in Nigeria working as an actress. Yeah.
She's just saying that how did you feel when you really went to this? Whether you feel surprised
Understand it.
until you get there.
Yeah, until you get there. Oh no. I just want to leave everything to God for now. Yeah. Oh, but you've been on my page and for 1 year now. Since 30th June that this issue came. 30th June was my son's birthday. And I posted that picture with him. Since then, 30th June last year, I posted that picture. No. Minya same way. No. One will say me posting nudity on my page so that for 1 year now.
So that's okay.
Me posting nudity. That. So I'm so serious about stop nudity.
So what lessons have you learned from all this back and forth?
Oh, it's a lot. The good and the bad side, I've learned a lot. That is why I'm here to say that it's not a good thing to do. So we should try and put a stop to it. Page. I'm not exposing myself on my page anymore. Oh, no. This is my private issue, and I don't talk about that.
The sentence was harsh. To you, how do you think it was harsh?
Oh, no. That's what I'm telling you. It's a legal matter, and I don't want to talk about anything about courts here, please. Let's leave it there, please. I just came out. I'm grateful to anyone. That's why I said.
We spoke to your manager today, and he was like, the management team and yourself didn't know anything about it.
I'm grateful to anyone who supported, who donated to me and my son. I'm grateful.
Please, we have just
God bless them.
two more. Please, we
God
have just
bless
two
them.
more questions, and we would have to end it here. Please.
I just came, please. I thank everyone who supported me. DKB is a legend. So if he supported me, he's supposed to support me. Thanks to anyone who supported me. God bless them. They did well.
All right. Thank you guys so much.